Get acquainted with the 2022 Nissan Pathfinder. Here's a solid, smooth-riding Nissan Pathfinder, the family-oriented three-row crossover with impressive towing capacity and available all-wheel drive. Flexible seating and standard driver assist safety features give you the convenience and confidence to enjoy every adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, third-row seat, electronic stability control, blind spot monitor, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes. Feel the assurance of quiet capability in this Pathfinder. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.